Guys, now you logged in as a default username and then you change the password, like, and but now what you wanted to do is you wanted to create a different username because you don't want to use the default username, because if you have SSH is installed on your machine, someone can brute force for your mesh password for the default username Kali, right? So I don't want to use the Kali Linux Kali default username. So because as per the security standards, the default password should be changed and the default username also should be changed, guys. So now I'll just use create the user, guys. Add user Uday. What command not found? So what does this mean, guys? As I told before, I just need to enter sudo before. Yes. So it is asking for the password for my Kali user. So let me enter the password, guys. What is the new password for Uday? Okay. We type the password. Enter the full name or else, okay, Uday. Room number 1. Work phone number. Yes. Now let me log out. Uday user. Try to log in at the. I just created the user, guys. I want to see whether I can log in as Uday or not. This is how I logged in, guys. Now it is showing as Uday username at operating system Kali Linux. I want to go back to my previous username, guys, because you guys know why I want to go back, because I want to delete the user now. Log out. Log out means we are logging out from that user, guys. Not we don't need to shut down the operating system in order to log out the user. Too many passwords, hard to remember. Yes.